Alright, so I just bought this faucet, pull-out kitchen faucet, to replace the one that I have. This is actually was 88 bucks with my military discount, $86 to replace this one. Look how horrible this is. So I'm gonna try to videotape this as much as I can, but I'm gonna actually do some of it and then I'll videotape a little bit. But I actually have to get in here, as you can see, and get this. So I'm gonna work on this right now. Alright. No, you gotta do it sideways. Sideways. I guess the water wasn't completely turned off, so there's water was leaking everywhere. And now I can't seem to get this figured out. This is not. So I had to go to the store and get a one of these adapters to work with, and it's kind of complicated to explain, but this is what I had to do to get it fixed, to finish it up. All right. Now I need to get these little adapters that I just bought. I think the toughest part of this is the small space, and I guess probably having to go get that piece. That's that piece right there that I bought. So now I just have to add that little thing that hangs right here, and then I should be done because it's up here. Alright, there were those screws. That was the last part of it that I needed to do. I am finished. Actually, right now I have the water pump on, but just got to figure out. Oh, there we go. It's all done.